Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you've just got an Aura frame or are planning to use one, you might be wondering how everything actually works once it's powered on. Unlike traditional photo frames, Aura frames are designed to display your memories digitally, which means everything is controlled through an app rather than buttons on the device. At first, it can feel a bit confusing, especially when it comes to connecting the frame, adding photos, and managing what gets displayed. But once you understand the setup and how the system syncs with your phone, it becomes incredibly easy to use and update anytime. The whole experience is built around simplicity and sharing, allowing you to send photos instantly to the frame from anywhere. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use your Aura frame step by step. Try these. Step 1. Plug in the Aura frame and turn it on. Step 2. Download and open the Aura app on your phone. Step 3. Create or log into your Aura account. Step 4. Connect the frame to your Wi-Fi through the app. Step 5. Upload photos from your phone to the frame. Step 6. Adjust display settings and enjoy your photos.